What the? They've stopped. Can they smell me? The wind's died down though. If I move back a bit. Maybe they heard my phone turning on or something. Strange. Can't believe there's no traffic at all. I've been keeping pace with a group of women cyclists, middle-aged women. Yeah, stop making that noise now. Last time I was out, I heard some pheasants. This sounds a bit different to pheasants, so I wonder if it could be a wild boar. It was like a sort of noise. Sounded like a large animal. A large bird out there. There's a lot of life in this wood. There it is again. You hear the noise. I saw something moving there. Could it be a deer? Could be a deer, couldn't it? There it is again. I don't know. I've played a lot of Hunter Call of the Wild. And I'm not sure that's a deer, although that's the most likely thing. It's the most likely thing for a large animal in England. How amazing. What was that? That sounded more like a pheasant. Wow. I think there's a deer. At first I thought wild boar. You'd have to have good eyes to see them from this distance. My eyes aren't too bad, but with my chronic fatigue they're not quite as good as they were. But yeah, this would have been the sort of thing my granddad would have done. Let's keep going. Got a long way to go. 5 minutes that'll do. Recording. What we're going to call it. What's that? What's the part of the Shire where the Bilbo Baggins is from? I can't remember. It's like a specific place in the Shire, because the Shire is actually like a big area, like a county in England would be, like Buckinghamshire. Look at that little thing up there. That's cool. That like hut thing. But this is the River Leck, and as I said, I met some guy who said he fishes in this, and it's like really. That thing makes a noise, doesn't it? Do you reckon he's come from Buckingham? Probably. He's either come from Buckingham or Milton Keynes. Do you think that's like electrically assisted?
Where are they from? You got a bit of paper?
No, I ain't giving you no
You
paper.
don't have a bit of
No, I ain't giving you that. Yeah, come? You go walk down there. Tell me if you reckon you can get through there, or whether that.
It's like shit down here.
Yeah, it probably is. You reckon you can get through there, or on a bike, or is it only for footpath? Because where we just come from, yeah, this path I think is supposed to go all the way up to where we come from. That's what the map said anyway. There's all sorts of little hills in.
Go up that way.
Can you?
You can go up there, yeah.
Where? I wonder how far that goes. Public. Is it this way?
Public.
Should we try and go up there?
Shall we go up there, shall we?
See what's up there.
Let's go. Let's do it.
Not just yet. That looks like a bloody tank, doesn't it? Like a rusted old tank, doesn't it? It is a tank. That's mad.
It's a fucking tank, man.
I've never seen that. That's like an old military van.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've never been down this sort of lane, so I want to leave people in peace, you know. But yeah, let's see. I just did see it on the map. I thought we might have been through that gate, but then the gates are locked. Some of these paths are a bit tricky to get through because it's so they're not really meant for. They're not bridleways. They're footpaths, you know.
Imagine that black man scooter thing getting down
You won't get shush. He won't get down there. He won't get down there on that.
That'd be funny as fuck.
He'll get stuck and it'll be like, here we go, going like this and he'll just be stuck.
That'd be funny.
Yeah, I can't believe someone's thrown that bit of plastic on there.
It's a bit
Disgusting, isn't it?
You've got some in it though. Water.
Yeah, you want to crawl through those pipes.
Oh, fuck that,
When me and Jeff, were like teenagers or whatever.
Yeah.
We used to climb. There's a bridge down by his house. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's got like a tunnel like that under there.
Yeah.
We used to climb through it. Yeah. Down in Badgers.
Bloody hell.
Just down the road from my house.
Bloody hell, man.
You know where Jeff Smart lives, yeah?
Mm.
Yeah, beautiful here, isn't it? With these, and then there's a bit of the village like that I've never been to. It's like down the left hand side,
Down there, yeah?
and then across the bridge, and there's more of the village that
Alright.
you wouldn't usually go to
No.
because you don't want to be noisy. Look at this. Look at this plant, how it's like twisted. Look at this plant, how it's all twisted.
Yeah, it's all come over it.
Do you think that's like a wisteria or something?
I don't know what actually.
Flowers.
I don't know the bloody plants now.
You having a smoke, are you, or can't you?
I ain't got no fucking filter.
That's what you wanted the paper for.
Yeah.
But I don't think I got no
I don't
paper.
thought you had a little bit of paper at least. If I didn't.
Nah, don't think so.
That's it, man.
We've got A mask.
A mask, oh yeah, that'll do.
That's no good for you, is it? You might find paper on the ground. If people are throwing plastic away, you might find paper. Look, what's this here? It's a feather.
Bloody leaf or nothing. No,
It's a feather. Yeah, use the leaf.
no, that's not that.
Willow. The leaves are coming out on the willow trees.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we've seen so many people walking about today, haven't we?
Fucking
They're
loads
good.
of people, yeah.
And the black guy on there
Yeah,
with
exactly.
contraption. They're going to think we're one of them. They're going to
7 people don't coming down that
They're going to
road.
think we're one of these annoying people that just walks into the countryside all of a sudden.
Well, we've got these bikes for it.
When it's like a little bit warm all of a sudden.
Mm.
Big fallen tree. Thought we might be able to get down here. Look, it's really cool down here. But we can't get through because, well, Nate says there's a fallen tree down there, so yeah, that's supposed to be a river. Look how shallow it is. They say that's the River Leck. Oh wow. Yeah, okay, that's lower down than the river. Does that mean people have gone through here and it's got dug it out? Yeah. You might walk through there in the summertime. Oh right, it turns into a big pond. But yeah, it's supposed to be a public bridleway or something. I guess with a horse you'd get through. Horse would get through anything. Very cool. I've never been down there. I knew there was supposed to be a path here that links it up to the roads where I usually ride, but oh right, yeah, you ain't getting through that. Fucking hell. You ain't gonna get through that. Yeah, I can't tell how deep that is. You might get through when it's drier with a big bike, if not for that tree. I was really curious where this takes you to though, once you get past here. Right, let's try and get back. I'm a little bit tired for this sort of games today. Ooh. Ooh. Thought I'd take it easy today. Didn't think we'd be going this off-roaded. I've only just, that front tyre's new. And don't want to puncture it straight away after all that effort it took to get it on there. What am I doing? You can tell how exhausted I am just from doing this. I'm going to jump across that, but my back foot might slip. Oh yeah, look at this metal thing. Don't know what that is. Better put my bloody phone away in case I fall over. There's another house up there. There's horses in that field, white horse. All these places there's a lot of these sort of places still left in England that are away from major roads and even minor roads, and for these people, life probably hasn't changed that much in the past 10-20 years, whereas for us living in towns or even villages, it's so changed so much. Well, my cousin's gone and he's probably gone home by now. Oh, I lost him before we even got out of town. I lost him. Told him to go towards Stowe and he went towards Milton Keynes. So. Said we were going to Akeley, but not the way he was trying to go to Akeley. He's there, he's down there. Right. I just tried to get down there. What's he laughing at? I love this terrain, it's so cool. It's a bit cheap in there, look. He's making such a racket, probably annoyed those people in that house. It's like my brother, he's so noisy and he doesn't realise he's doing it, so look in there.